What you say, chef? What you say? Talk to it.
Ready for some of this?
Yeah, man.
Mashed potato, slice of yam. Little basmati brown rice, same way.
Guys, so it thick. Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful and amazing morning or day wherever you are in the world. I'm Tyrone and this is Tyrone Studio Vlogs. Here what guys, me dey back at Portmore, right at Portsmouth, you know what I mean? Me link up back my big friend Chefy, you know what I mean? I'm gonna match up some food for you today, some simple ingredients I'm gonna use, make some unique meal. You guys saw the last video, it was so epic, some stuff I never knew about. A chef make it, you know what I mean? So without further ado, we are getting to the video and we're gonna see what chef I deal with today. Hit a like on this video. If you're new, subscribe, you know what I mean? I'm Tyrone. Big up on yourself, one love from Jamaica all the time guys, alright? Yeah man, watch what I go on. Alright guys, so we there the hustle and the bustle at Portmore, you know what I mean? As morning start, people out here. You see me? Look out this up. As morning start guys. Yeah man, this is what happens at Portmore. Early in the morning, the place is alive. Yeah guys, you know what I mean? So if you drop past this place, I'll be here this will go on. So a kitchen we are going today, but I just give you now one peek, you know? See here guys, peanut porridge.
The porridge ready? No.
Porridge not ready yet, it's just a mix. Yeah man. Original coconut water guys, see there? Coconut milk. Yeah man. But there guys, peanut porridge. I tell you say it's a really I tell you man, chef know for doing things. And him add some cinnamon leaf. I'm gonna spice it up when him done, you see me? Early in the morning thing this is, yeah man. Early morning vibes, it's something like tea. Yeah man, eat there guys. Alright guys, so this is what chef is preparing next. Remind the people what this again? Fritters. Oh, this is the fritters mix. Yeah man, so this is how chef prepares his
cassava flour, cornmeal.
Fritters in the morning.
Yeah, cassava flour and cornmeal.
Okay, so him use cassava flour and him use some cornmeal within the fritters mixture plus some natural seasoning.
Yeah.
So all of this flour right here, cassava flour. So him try to keep it as vegan as possible, Ital as possible. Yeah man. At first me I know say yo people put cornmeal in a fritters, you know me. I tell you say yo them man are creative, you know people. Yeah I mean we have to drop a part 2 and creative. Yeah I mean.
So you get the crunch man.
Yeah man, I say you get the punch out time. See there guys, a cornmeal and you add a little bit of sea salt. Yeah man. What take you want to go on still, you see me? Chef know how to do him thing. Sea salt him using in food. Can't wait for this mix up. Him add some sea salt there.
I get the right amount of salt there. Not too salty and not too fresh.
Yeah.
Pepper.
Alright, so that a little bit of cayenne pepper. Alright, so what y'all do for we now?
Blend the scotch bonnet pepper for this. Yeah man.
Oh. Yeah guys, see it? That quick way if you do it, you don't have to cut up, you just blend it and use the water. Yeah guys.
All over.
All over. Utter creativity.
Yeah, I can make a bite and you taste pepper one plate. And you say me feel piece of pepper and bite piece of pepper, you taste pepper all over within the flour.
Yeah. Guys, the flavor will kick out at this. So guys, this is what you call a fritters again, chef?
Vegan fritters, no meat.
Yeah.
Natural.
Boy, you know man, I tell you say yo, the flavor we kick out of this and the aroma. Guys, you know have to try that one. Ingredients them simple man. Very very simple, but guess what? You see, me can here say chef I will get the same ingredients but the food not taste the same. You understand? Food can't taste the same, but chef have a magic touch. Yeah, you see it there guys. Color pretty and nice. Early morning, about 6 o'clock, you know. You know, the chef starting thing early, you know. Yeah, guys, I'm soon fry them up. Alright, guys, so this is the famous fritters. So we are get the first job. See it there? And what kind of oil you use? Is a vegetable oil?
No, it's vegetable oil, all processed.
Okay. See there, guys, fritters them ready. Yeah, man. And the ingredients are very simple, right, chef?
Yes, sir.
Like what you put in it?
Onion, tomato, garlic, thyme, scallion,
yeah,
pepper.
Yeah,
That's it.
simple ingredients and garlic. Simple ingredients.
In fine dice.
Yeah. See it there, guys. Yeah, man. Right there, so no saltfish, no meat. No sausage.
No dead flesh.
No dead flesh. You know what I mean? And the flour is cassava flour with cornmeal. So that make it unique, you know? Cassava flour I'm using it. Fully bad.
Cooking.
Yeah, see it there guys?
Cooking is a farmer.
Chef I got mad stuff it. Onion and scallion. I tell you that this burrito about the chef in there, nice skill in there man. Yes, skill for the knife. In the minutes of, in time space at 18 seconds. All of this I shell out already. Yeah guys, spring onion, aka scallion.
Green onion.
Yeah man. See there guys, yeah man, cut up nice and pretty. Alright guys, so the fritters them soon can ready. If you look on the part over here so. Yeah man, cook on the season them turn up in night. Do massa. Oh Lord. Watch out now. Fritters them and tell your boy me left me all early cause me and say yo me have to get the fritters them. Can't do without it. Early morning plus the peanut porridge. Yeah guys. So when you drop in, you have to taste the fritters. So anyone now come from in our world, come here early. Cause if you come here at 10 o'clock the fritters done. You know what I mean? So I just make you know. right, chef? At 8 o'clock it's done. So you have to be there early, guys. As early as God waking up, no reach ya. Yeah, man, cause I tell you, whole of Portmore buy off the fritters, man. Plus, so new people will find out about the thing. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Chef want to build up the kitchen in a real and proper way. You want to put one pizza oven outside, so. Right, so you want to put a pizza oven, plus you want to build one little other thing so you can make in cheese, make in blend up juice. Chef want healing nation man. I use Genesis 1 for way. You know what I mean? Genesis 1 is use the herbs of the land. It's a healing of the nations. The healing of the nations, which is a herb. You know what I mean? See food them, yeah? Them God give you, man. Natural food for the healing of our body, you know, so we can replenish and get rid of the bag of radiation out of and the cancer. You know what I mean? Radiation that cause the cancer. See food here? And this we have to use tackle it and prayer. And prayer, so chef look like him gonna turn up them fritters just shortly. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch what go on. So them the guys, we soon turn them up for me. Alright guys, so turning time. See, cause I want make you look like a sport. Simple. Yeah guys, so your fritters will look. Yeah man. Alright, so guys, first thing chef dropping at the pot at some time. Yeah man. Yes I. See the people. Smell good. What is that you in it?
Okra.
Yeah. The okra. Pumpkin. Yeah man. And what that you know?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
My next pumpkin what I first.
Where you say this here?
Cranberry bean stew. Peas. Roma peas have stripes on it. It's a good bean. Tastes like baked bean in tin.
Okay.
Yeah. It and the pinto bean is the same type of bean.
It and the what?
Pinto bean. Same type of bean. Have stripes on it. One sweet. And the other one have a little flavor to it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hear that, guys?
Chunks.
So what that this butter for now?
Chunks.
Okay.
Same process with the natural colorful season. One they're going to simmer some more. Yes, the one cook right out. The water spring on the vegetable. A little bit of ice. So this is cranberry bean stew. See that store right now. See everything pre-cooked.
What this name?
Cranberry bean stew.
Okay.
Yeah. See the sauce base I'm making for it right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the sauce base. And what we have in it now?
Say look. Beautiful it look. See that?
Yeah.
That
What you put in it?
Pumpkin, okra, and a natural seasoning that I use.
Natural seasoning like scallion, thyme.
Garlic, pepper, onion, sweet pepper.
Alright, mad. Alright guys, so see customer them there. I get them fritters and thing, you know. Yeah man, so this a go on. Alright guys, so see customer them there. I get them fritters and thing, you know. Yeah man, so this a go on. So what you do for you so now?
I prep my broccoli from broccoli stew.
Yeah?
These I don't waste these. I cut them real thin and steam them down. We're gonna throw away these also.
Cut up everything.
Yes sir.
Steam it. So more you show a process in the cause
Yeah man.
sometimes when you steam broccoli you know, you can't cook out the whole like too much.
Well, my one is not gonna steam the sauce. I'm gonna make first. I put it in a sauce for a couple minutes and let the sauce just cook through with the heat and everything, you know?
Okay.
So when you're eating it, you're gonna get a crunch flavor.
Okay.
You don't wanna cook out the nutrients inside the broccoli.
Yeah.
You notice if you boil broccoli or steam it, you see all the green is separated from the broccoli. That's all the good nutrients that's inside.
Yeah, so you have to show a process.
Yeah, you have to save those and that's good for you. Yeah, this can be eaten raw, you know? Yes, it can be eaten raw.
So I process people, so that really important in the cooking, you know?
Process, how to process it right, how to get it done the right way.
Yeah. Alright guys, so stay tuned and watch what chef are up to. Yeah. Alright, so guys,
beans, see the stripes on it.
this is the peas that is going into the what you call it, the cranberry bean stew. Yeah man. It looks like the one in baked bean. So chef did prepare it already, pressure it with a little bit of salt.
No
salt?
Fresh water, no.
Just fresh water?
Salt is the last thing when I'm meals all the time.
Salt, the last thing?
Yeah.
Unlike me salt everything one time.
Salt, bring up the flavor. If I add salt first,
Yeah.
hard to catch the flavor.
Yeah?
So keep on adding the salt. If I need more, add the salt to catch the flavor. I really want to catch it.
Oh.
The entire cook salt is the last.
Okay. So you got to show this in now. So this is the peas make it rich in iron and vitamin C, protein. So if they ask where vegan get them protein from, see it there. Alright guys, so
this can be eaten with some mashed potato. I also do that at times, so, you know, mashed potato.
Yeah.
Coconut cream inside.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't use butter or anything in mine. I just use coconut cream in my mashed potato.
And it's rich in a vitamin C and protein and iron.
Yes, I.
So if you worry about where your protein come from, the peas of it. I mean, everything right. Could you man?
It's nice. See?
Woo! Guys, anybody can try this.
Boss. You again?
Guys, see the chunks ready. I will take off your fire for your killer boil.
No man.
Eat chef.
Thick and rich.
Thick and rich. So let me soon go in a chunks, you know. Me soon sample this, you know. Yeah man.
So we jump to there.
What you say, chef? What you say? Talk to it.
Ready for some of this?
Yeah man.
Mashed potato, slice of yam. Little basmati brown rice same way.
Guys, so thick.
Little quinoa. I need to with couscous, quinoa, pasta.
Yeah. Everything. Guys, and the pumpkin in the pot just make it just rich. Plus the turmeric. Good for everything. You must try them on your man. Try it. For sure. Alright guys, so today cranberry bean stew here ready. Yeah man, we soon going at guys. See, that's simple and easy to make. Alright guys, so chef are gonna make broccoli stew here now. So time. Yeah. Alright, so guys, this going at the broccoli stew. Chocho.
Yes man.
See, let me see natural season them. See them here?
Yeah man.
Well colorful. Hey guys, this smells delicious. It's like a hug in a bowl when you eat it. It's like you get a hug and a kiss from the food. Do it nice. Yeah man. See the seasoning of chocho and natural seasoning, and then the broccoli will come next. You know what I mean? Yeah. And see chef over here, so prepare some carrots as well. We're going at it. So you know, say carrot I go complement it. Yeah man, I know about my food now, because I'm a chef too, but that chef I tell you, he's bad for the knife, you know. Go there. Bad for the knife, you know, people. Bad. And everything cut up clean. In a normal man. Alright, so carrot them just drop in. So you know, so this is a real veggie stew right here, so all natural guys. Hear the sound there. Alright. Colors are amazing guys, I mean.
The green broccoli going there now.
Colors are amazing. Jamaica color. Earth color them, you know, man. Earth tones. Yeah man, very beautiful guys. See there. Alright guys, so what is your name, my boss?
This is a steam pop chop.
Steam pop chop.
Fritters.
Yeah man, I see. But you want me to firm one them?
Yeah man, if any giant hard, it punky them hard. You want it. You know, like
Alright, so what you do for we now, chef?
So broccoli stew.
Yeah?
Cook the sauce first and add the broccoli last. The broccoli steamer nice.
So add the sauce I go into the broccoli.
Yeah.
See it there, guys. There's a chef creative, you know, man. You see, it's simple broccoli with a little bit of coconut milk, natural seasoning, carrots, chocho. So real local ingredients, you know what I mean, where anybody can find in the markets or the supermarket. So vegan food made easy, right here.
Easy.
Right here.
Simple, colorful, tasteful,
delicious at the same time.
Everything.
And if you don't love pepper like how we love pepper, you don't have to put a lot of pepper in it.
Yeah, you cannot do your thing.
You can keep it mild, you know?
Mild, yeah man, so that is it.
Yeah guys, see it there? In a minute or two this will be ready, right chef?
Yeah, man, we don't want the broccoli to overcook, we want to be too crunchy. That's why I add the broccoli last.
We want the broccoli crunchy, so you know, overcook. Yeah man, so a method do it, don't chef?
Method, everything method.
Everything
Technique.
method.
Technique.
Yeah?
Get the real taste, quality, texture, everything we need.
Yeah man.
Method and technique, you know?
Right, funny boss, that's all. Yeah man. Guys, this is the moment you have been waiting for. The sharing out part, because I know someone no hungry a bite to me, you know man. You know what I mean? So chef, you gotta tell me everything what you have put in your plate now.
Alright. Well, you don't eat enough, so I want everything.
Yeah?
Yes, I want a sweet potato, which has the yam wheat dumpling.
See there guys. Pretty. Yeah man. Chef know if you treat people good, you know man.
If you come to the kitchen, you can get a mixture of everything.
Yes, a mixture of everything.
Yes, now what about?
And a little bit of these veggie chunks.
Yes, I.
Veggie chunks on the side.
Yes, I.
Chef knows I don't eat nothing. I just like little bit of everything, you know.
Yes,
And what is for you now?
Golden stew.
Yeah, aka cranberry.
No,
stew.
the cranberry bean stew. Sorry, cranberry bean stew. Golden stew is gonna come next time.
Alright. See the guys and the veggie. What is for you now?
Pop chow.
Woy. See the guys. Last thing, you know. Yo, I can't wait to go in there.
Broccoli stew.
What you say we are making now?
The broccoli stew.
Sorry, broccoli stew.
Yes, I.
See the people. Whole heap of vegetable this in there, you know, man. Whole heap of vegetable this. Yeah, guys. See it there? See it there? Yeah man, so I have a sample it and now I couldn't know what go on. Yeah man, we heat to come off it. Yeah man, so we will get some peanut porridge too.
Yes,
yeah, chef I will share some peanut porridge too. And we are going to put some fritters on the side. Yeah man. Alright guys, so this is the moment you have been waiting for, so see food here. Yeah man, so we have some fritters, we have the pop chai, we have the broccoli, everything. So now go in there. First thing I got taste, watch out. The fritters, first thing. Fritter. We got your bite. Just right. And I taste some of this cranberry. So the cranberry bean. I'm gonna mix it with the pop chai and the broccoli. Fully bad. Fully bad, guys. The broccoli, this come like it's a hug in our plate. You know when your mother cook for you and she just hug up you and just kiss you and say, we eat the food, and this it come like. This bring back so much memory, guys. This mix the fritters with the cranberry. Yo, got it. Wow. Wow. Guys, this bad. This bad. Bad as in good. You know my term that already. I see the peanut porridge here. Yeah, man. Something. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, the cinnamon. We're in it. The cinnamon just bring it up. This is an entire meal, guys. I'd advise you to come and try it yourself. Don't take my word alone for it. You know what I mean? Come, try it yourself. See the fritters them here. Broccoli, the yam, sweet potato, banana, everything. See it here? And the broccoli, let me taste a piece of the broccoli. Broccoli is so refreshing, guys. I would advise you, find a restaurant and come and enjoy it for yourself, guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, share. You know what I mean? One love from Jamaica. Big up the chef, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and the whole world. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, and I will see you guys next time.
America.
Yeah, man, the whole massive. UK, America, Canada, Trinidad, Caribbean, Africa, Australia, Asia, Germany. One love from Jamaica. Tyrone, the cinnamon, and keep safe, eat healthy.